possibly get off. Oh! Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day. In today's video, we're finally going to be doing something which I've been waiting to do for absolutely ages. We're finally going to be upgrading the front grille on the Lexus IS200. Oh my god bro, my voice just cracks. We managed to find ourselves a really nice, genuine Lexus IS200 sport grille. Obviously, that's going to be replacing the stock OEM one, which I've currently got at the moment. I've been wanting to get one for absolutely ages. But obviously, as you guys can see, mine's the wrong color. It's silver. So obviously, I'm going to have to do something about that. What I might probably just do, I've got some vinyl back in the garden, so I'm probably going to wrap it. I'm going to try my best anyways. It's a bit of an awkward shape to wrap. As you guys can see, there's a lot of weird edges and stuff. So other than that, I think that's it. So let's head to the garden and make a start. Look at the height difference. The height difference is crazy.
Tomorrow and always and always and always.
This ain't no time for the lies. I'ma say how it is when I speak real facts about the lives that you kill. 24/7 of the blood that you spilled. Don't act like the world didn't see what you did. All the innocent lives and civilians hit, but you still let the.
Alright, so got my grill here, and what I've got here, I've got carbon fiber vinyl, which I had some spare left over, so I'm just gonna be using this. So obviously first I'm gonna have to clean it. So I've got some isopropyl alcohol over here. Give it a nice little spray. But we've cleaned our sport grill. Now's the difficult part. So obviously we're going to be wrapping it. We need our vinyl. Got my heat gun over here. In case you guys are wondering, this is the heat gun that I've got. And yeah, we can now make a start.
Ich hoffe, du siehst, da draußen herrscht Krieg. Sie zielen auf den Dehn, doch wir bleiben stabil. Mein Bruder hört's nie. Hören wir auf, ihm zu dienen. Ich hoffe, du siehst, da draußen herrscht Krieg. Sie zielen auf den Dehn, doch wir bleiben stabil. Mein Bruder hört's nie. Hören wir auf, ihm zu dienen. Und wir führen diesen Krieg schon seit Anbeginn der Zeit. Doch unser Sieg ist sicher, darum bleiben wir dabei. Keine Zeit für Diskussion.
Alright, so as you guys can see, we finally finished wrapping the whole entire grill. And yeah, it took me quite a while. It was not the most easiest job, to be honest with you. That's mostly because I obviously had to do it in two separate parts. I can't lie, it does look sick. It does look really sick. And obviously my car is great, so it's also gonna camouflage a bit better as well. I think the carbon fiber vinyl looks absolutely sick. I love how it looks. But anyways, now that we've done the vinyl, we can now get on to actually installing and swapping out the old grill for the brand new grill. But obviously it's raining at the moment, so I'm gonna wait for the rain to settle down and then we can make a move.
A long time coming, but I know.
Alright, so now we're finally going to be taking out the old one, but I want to try and see if it's possible to do it without taking the whole bumper off, because I can't really be asked to take the whole bumper off. So I mean, in my case, I don't, oh wait, never mind, I do have a little cable tie there, so I want to snap that off real quick. Got some pliers. I'm just gonna pull that one off. Alright, so in your case guys, obviously there's going to be a bolt there and a bolt there. I'm not too sure if there's going to be a bolt here as well. There might be, but I'm trying to do it without taking the whole bumper off. So I'm just pushing it forward so I can unclip it, and then I'm hoping that it should just slide right out. Oh shit, I can't. Oh yes, I done it. It's out. I don't break anything though, right? Alright, so we got the old grill out. Now we're gonna go get the new one and stick it on. Alright, I'm a bit nervous, I don't know why. Alright, I'm just gonna put it in. I'm pretty sure it's the same procedure. You just stick it in there. We don't wanna, oh shit, there you go, I think that was it. As you guys can see, the clips on mine are broken, which is obviously not good, but I got it for a good price, so. Alright guys, I think I've done it. I think it's complete. Oh my gosh.
Now recall your face, you were smiling on me. Now recall that night we were having no sleep. Now recall that day you were laughing to tears. Now recall my shivers from having no heat. Now recall your face, you were smiling on me. Now recall that night we were having no sleep. Now
Now recall that day you were laughing to tears. Now recall my shivers from heaven only.
Alright, as you guys can see, that is the final product, and bro, oh my god, I'm absolutely in love with it. I think it looks absolutely sick. I mean, I knew it would look sick, they all look sick, but what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think it looks absolutely sick. I mean, obviously I know nothing lines up because again my bonnet is broken, the hinges are bent, it's been in a bit of an accident. I mean, if the car was to be straight, it'd look a lot more nice obviously, but we're gonna get that sorted in due time. But as for now, oh, this sport girl looks so good. I swear they all should have come out with these from factory. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any other suggestions or ideas or mods I can do to this car. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, I already do have another video idea coming soon, because obviously now that we have the sport grille, we can now easily see the two horns, right? So what I was thinking, I might upgrade to helic horns and get, you know, I don't know, the helic horns, they've got this sort of casing around it and it just looks so sick. So I might get some colored ones. Let me know in the comments what color you guys think I should get. Red, purple, yellow, even green, I'm not too sure. But yeah, that'll be for next week's video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.